So yeah, today we will be doing another lead code session. Today is basically Saturday, and so there will be a lead code contest, and we will try our hands there and get demolished. Yeah, yeah. Let's start. Yeah, let me just wear something that I don't feel cold. It's really cold in India these days in December. Yeah, just yeah. Let's start. Mm, Whenever I try and live stream, like my internet is just so slow. It honestly makes me annoyed. Like, what the fuck? Just have good internet while I'm trying to stream for once in my life, right? At least I deserve that much. Yeah, thanks to the shitty internet of Reliance, we will have to wait in a contest in which we are already so much late. Well, contest starts at 8, and just previously before this, I was in the gym, so of course, if that I have this tendency that I don't really enjoy my workout when I have a lot of time left. I don't have a lot of time when I'm in the late night working out just after finishing work. I don't really enjoy that. But when I do go to gym early, it's fun. It's really fun because I have time and I actually do a lot. It's fun, it's social. I get to interact with people, and that's the time when it's really fun. So in those times, it's really hard. And today was one of the day because there is this test which I wanted to give. So I went to the gym early today, and yeah, I just need to take that register as well. Just a minute. Yeah, I hope that lead code has opened by now so that we can start practicing. It's damn annoying. Obviously, I can't really show my password. I have this weird habit of always doing this when I type my password or when I do something, but since I'm live, I can't do that. Even I'm not foolish enough to do that. There is no contest today. That dumb. The last contest was at 20. Uh, so there was a contest last week. Yeah, this week Saturday there is no contest. I am really dumb. I didn't even see that. So if there is no contest, then I guess you will just have to work on neat code. Yeah, this is my. By the way, these are all the tools. These are my holy grail things, which I use quite a lot. And I probably I don't think it's wise for me to show these kinds of things on the internet, but who cares? Like right now, I don't even have anything which I wouldn't really mind showing to anyone else. Yeah, let's start. Let's try this one. Yeah, everything is working right. Yeah, it is. I hope it is at least. By the way, I also was thinking of doing chess streams because these days I've started to love chess also. Like I've been playing chess since I was in 10th grade, so 3 years prior. But I've always been that kind of guy who starts chess, plays for a little bit, then stops. So yeah, but I want to take it more seriously. Oh yeah, I'm wasting time. Wasting precious time. Need to stop. Okay, a string and integer k. And choose any character of the string and then change it to any other uppercase English character. You can perform this operation at most k times. Yani k is the maximum times the operation you can apply. Return the length of the longest substring containing the same letter you can get after performing above operations. Okay. Okay, this consists of only uppercase English level letters. So I don't really have to worry about the being different cases. And the case value is also equal to cannot be greater than the value of the length. So there's also no worries about that. That the value can be larger, the case value can be larger. Yeah, so that gives us should use camel case and save. So that's what we're gonna use. I prefer to write LS smaller because that's much easier for me. But let's roll with this for now. Then Of course, my code is wrong, but still, let's try. Oh, I need to return. Oh, yeah, max. Why is there an overflow? Of course, it's because of n square, the time complexity. Even my answer is also wrong, so fuck me. Like, even the answer is wrong. So in both cases, the answer is wrong. Some part of my logic is correct. Don't know. Probably because I'm like, oh, wait a minute. Hmm. Copy should be minus minus. No, I'm dumb. Or maybe I'm not. Who knows? Let's wear socks. Cold. How the fuck did the output increase and I actually did the right thing? I believe. How can the answer be the answer? Nine. Like, oh, it's time to do some debugging. Yeah. What if I do this? Just now. Song. But close. First, there is no. Where is this length which I have increased? Where is this length which I have increased? The new bar. This length should be inside the if statement. Because for such iteration, it should always revert back to, yeah, came out. I'm guessing at this point. And the answer actually came less than what was expected in both the questions. Let's see. So the length is 1. Mhm. While copy is greater than 0, L is not equal to size. Yeah, L is not equal to size. First, then you on the last condition. It won't check the last condition if it just breaks before even executing. Fuck! As output decreased. Like S is not equal to S of L. This is I and this is N. Is not equal, then ln plus plus. The length is now 2 of the substring. Copy minus minus. Because we have replaced one, so the copy has been minus. So now 1. And the L is plus plus 2. L is here now. Now L is S of I and S of L is equal. So L's and L's length plus plus. Yeah, because now there are 3 characters and then L plus plus. Okay, so now L is on B and copy. Now it should be in the end. Now L is equal to 3. Yeah, and the copy is still greater than 1 and A is not equal to B. So length is equal to 4. Length is equal to 4 and I is still equal to 0. And then we have to increase copy. Copy is now 0. So copy is 0 and then L plus plus 4. L is equals to 4. L is equals to 4. The code breaks. Max length of my length. Answer is 4. Now for the next iteration. Okay. So now I is 1. I L is starts now L needs to start from 0. L needs to start from 0. That's wrong. And if I is equals to L, then first of all we need to do L plus plus. Then we need to do simple continue. I'm trying a bunch of things, and as I'm uh, trying a bunch of things, and I'm debugging, and while I'm debugging, I'm seeing the faults in my own program, and I'm fixing it as I'm debugging. Of course, there will be many edge cases which won't be handled, or which I would have to see. And even if it gets accepted, of course it won't. Of course it won't. There's no cases of if this gets accepted, it won't. Fuck me. So now let's see for this. Like this has been the best approach for me to solve the problems. So in this case, we don't really have to change any. You got that date. I this and IL length copy max length. The four conditions we need to check. While I is 0, L is 1, L is 4, L is also 0. Okay. Length is 1. Copy is k is equals to 2, so copy is 2. Max length is max length is 0. Max length is 0. Yeah, my laptop has started going. Oh, such a fucking bakwas laptop it is. It's still the only laptop I have, so yeah, we have to work with what we have. If L while copy is greater than 0, if I is equals to L, L plus plus, so now the value of L is 1. Now the next iteration, uh, like in this particular, we don't really need to change copy, right? Yeah. Now, if like it's equal, so the length will be plus 1, the length will be 2, which it should be, and then L should be plus plus, which it's also right. Now the L is here. Now it's still the case. And the copy also needs to be reduced. No, why would not if copy isn't reduced? Let's see. Wait a minute. Let's see. Let it there. Then there will be 3 and 3. And then there will be 4 and 4. Finally, it will break out. The This is correct. Max length will be 4. Then We will again reinitialize everything. Length will again become 1. I will become now 1. L will become 0. I will become 1. L will become 0. Length will become 1. Copy will become. But, in the previous it broke. The condition was still 2, but it broke. So the copy is 2 and max length is 4. Now, again, I is not equal to L, A is equal to, so length will be increased to 2 and length will be increased to 1. L will be, but then L will be equal to here, so they will be equal. I should actually just stay quiet and try to think because that's dumb. How is this not working? एक बार और प्रोसेस नहीं हो जाएगा तो भी I know this won't be the ideal question. If k is equals to 0, why the fuck is output 1? If k is 0, then I have to see the longest substring. Mm. I feel that you wrote a solution by yourself, but so that you could be like I initially used to hate ChatGPT when it said things like that. And I actually now get encouraged in little ways when it says that. Everything, so everything that is wrong with the solution. I initially said it as everything is wrong with the solution. The biggest issue. Um, And approach can be to first sort it based on its ASCII values, and then once it's sorted, we can check like the number of characters. But that would also have problem. Frequency is the most common character. Common character. Oh, GPS. My parents were always said, "Good is the so far minus A. Like for example, if it's minus C. जैसे ए पहला ए है, वो भी ए माइनस ए इक्वल्स टू 0। फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ 0 पे वन डाल देना शायद। नहीं, फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ 0 पे। अच्छा ठीक है। If anyone is watching here think that I'm dumb, सबसे पहले ए है तो 0 1 मैक्स फ्रीक्वेंसी हो गई मैक्स इक्वल्स टू 0 कॉमा। अब ये क्या है, ये है इसकी वैल्यू 1। मैक्स फ्रीक्वेंसी वैल्यू हो गई 1। नाउ mathematical. Sometimes while writing code, it also prints Arduino. I don't know why. Like in this case, it's any PCB. It's R minus N plus 1. R minus L plus 1 pounds the number of characters elements with number of factors. It's 0. K K was 1, I guess, is the question, right? The example K is 1. It's not greater than 1, so frequency of SL of, but L is also on 0, so it will be 0. And then we have to do L plus plus. L is plus. ठीक है? And but no, it won't work because it will work only in the case when this is greater than K. But right now it's R minus L. Both are 0, 0, 0 minus 0 plus 1. So 1 is not. And max frequency is also 1. So 1 minus 1. Yeah, the answer will be 1. Sorry. Answer is, what is the answer? R minus 0, 0, 1. So answer is ANS. Why do we? Answer is 1. Right now. Right now, answer is 1. Now for the next iteration, R is equals to 2. Frequency here becomes 2. And then the max frequency is max of frequency. So max it's 2. While R minus L plus 1. 1 minus 0 plus 1, 2. 2 is greater minus max frequency. 2 minus 2, 0. So it still won't work. Then R. So nothing will happen and we will increase our answer value will also change because 1 minus 0. So 1 minus 0, 1 plus 1, 2. How much time it will take for me? It will take me to solve just one problem. Ah, now for the third, now it's B. So uh, 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 it will be 1. So here it will become 1. And max frequency will be 2 comma 1. It will be still 2, right? Max frequency will be the maximum of max frequency, and the answer we will get of the right element. So 2 comma 1 is still 2, won't change, while 2 minus 0 plus 1, 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 minus max frequency, which is 2, 1. 1 is greater than equal, no. So then we will do the max of answer, and R minus 2 minus 0 plus 1, so answer will be 3. Now for the next, R is equal to 3. Now R is equal to A So it gets to 3. Max frequency is max frequency, comma frequency. So it will be 3 now. And while 3 minus 0, 3 minus 0 plus 1, 4. So it still won't trigger this constraint. Answer will become 4. Now R is a gaining. Just when will the L increase by B? So it will become 2 and max frequency will be maximum of max frequency and frequency of R. So 3 comma 2. The answer will remain 3. Right. R is currently on P. R is currently on 4. A. Here R is on P. Yeah. Here the condition will be that let's see while R 4 minus 0 plus 1 and if 5, 5 minus 3, 2. So yeah, condition will work. Then 2 is greater than K. Yeah, 2 is greater than K. So frequency of S of L, yani S of A minus A, S of 0 को we need to reduce. So we need to do it to 2. Okay, and L is to be plus plus. L comes here. And then 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Shouldn't work. Why is it? Why L? Why does it work here? 4 minus 2. Max frequency is still 2. How? Uh, we have not changed max from here. So how did it reduce? Like we are not changing max frequency. So how did it decrease? This is greater than K. This is equal to minus 1. On to most. No, my plan. Eh? यहाँ जा तो रही थी, कहाँ गया? ये देखो, 3, 2, 3, 2। बेटा मैं क्या, सेम कैरेक्टर का नाम क्यों ले रहा है फिर? क्यों मेरा पूरा ड्राई रन खराब हो गया? I'm not able to understand this. I need to watch some YouTube videos for it. Yeah, that's the thing which I'm getting. Yeah, for now I will just copy and paste the solution from ChatGPT. Then after ending the stream, I will learn from YouTube because obviously I can't really watch YouTube video on stream, right? There are copyright issues, and second, my laptop will just get all fucked up, crash in the sense. Yeah, so yeah. Let me try and at least replicate what it did. Vector to max frequency. Environment, that's 0. Oh, well, it's all about committing to the process. Of course, I've lost so much and I've fucked up so badly so many of times that it doesn't really bother me that it's taking so long for me to learn because that's how I always been. So, yeah, I don't really get depressed a lot. That's the beauty of me as a human being. That's the superpower I have. That if I start liking something, I don't really give up. Uh, Now, after ending the stream, I would need to first learn this question and understand it on a fundamental level so that tomorrow when I come, I'm able to do this and at least try failing on these two once again. Yeah, this is something which I don't really want to do. Backtracking. This gives me trauma, advanced level trauma. It's given to me by backtracking because I never really understand it. Yeah, we use it to uh, learn. We use it to calculate Fibonacci of numbers, but why? I have this question, and yeah, mm, kind of a failed attempt, but a small step for man, a giant leap for mankind. We'll always remember that. A small step for man and a giant leap for mankind. A small step for man, a giant leap for mankind.